Good evening. Today I am here with you with a new hope or new energy. I want to tell you one story. I think today I will share with you two stories. Small but very interesting story. We all really familiar with this story. Number one. In a house, two cats are staying. They are very good friends. One day, both stole five chapatis from this home. Actually, this lady of home are not so good. She was very miser or timid. She doesn't give much more food them. That's why they have to steal bread from this owner home, and they took it in jungle. They want to eat, but they thought before eating we should divide it between us equality, because how much dessert I have, he also have a same dessert. It is very simple, but they could not find out the solution how divided between them equality, because they are two and bread are five. So for that reason they are thinking, now what should we do? Then they are thinking, suddenly one monkey was watching them very carefully from top of the branch of tree. This monkey came downside and it told, I have a solution. Can I do for you something? So they told, actually sister, we want to divide this bread between us equality, but we don't have a solution because we are two, breads are five. So monkey told, I can do it. And he told, let me break on white nut and measure. By the help of that I can do it. This monkey brought on white, and after that he gave to both sides two bread, and he divided on bread between, and he gave both sides, and one side was more and another side was little bit less. So monkey was very clever. He add half piece of half bread from one side. When he did again as like, so another side was more, another side was left. So this monkey again add that side also few half, and as how, and when he went, he was eating from one side half one side, as how he was doing as and waiting and eating, waiting and eating, and how he complete and finished the all breads, and nothing he left for two cats. And while he thought now they will be angry, suddenly he threw the white one side and he climbed top of the tree. And both are watching what happened. We stole from our owner home, but we could not eat anything. This monkey ate everything. It did not left for us nothing. So it is totally injustice, and both are very upset. That's how this story is found. You saw what is the reason to behind record ourselves? Why we need to tell the story in front of the camera? Why need to record ourselves? Dear, it is a one job. If you do it now, you can check it with your voice, your tonality, your speaking style. What is my level? You can very easily identify your mistake, your quality, your level. When you will watch your video, after that you will have an idea to take a decision about yourself. If this is my level, I can increase little bit as how. Because every public speaker, every motivational speaker do it. Someone also practice front of the mirror. By mirror practice, they also try to achieve confidence, and someone also try to use alone area for practicing. But nowadays we have a very miracle things in our hand. By practice of that, we can bring a good confidence in our life. Confidence is matter. Many more persons know about knowledge. They have a good knowledge, but they can't share knowledge confidently. Because why? Because they don't have a good confidence. Confidence is matter. Whenever you will go public place, there also you have to speak confidently. If you not speak confidently, your audience will not you listen, because people don't like to listen some weakness person. So how will you increase your confidence? There is only one way, practice. But how will you practice? This is the good practice way. You can record yourself, you can become own trainer for yourself. If you are thinking there is some weakness, you can improve, you can bring a change in your life. It will give you help, it will give you lot of benefit. So today it is enough for today. We will meet tomorrow inshallah with a new video. And if you like, try to follow me and comment, subscribe and share this video with your friend. Thank you for watching video. Jai Hind.